the Macraca.
These two professional bladesmiths will recreate an African weapon from the 1800s and will be tested its killing ability by experts. Watch till the end to see their reactions.
Greg, you're up first. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this.
All right.
This is one of the lightest swords I've ever picked up. But the most important thing, it will kill. Paul, it's your turn.
I'm ready.
It's a lot heavier. It dug in deep into the chest cavity. Overall, your Macraca will kill.
Thank you.